Hello students, I am Harshara Datte, Senior Lecturer of Department of Computer Engineering. In this video lecture, I am going to teach you experiment number 7, create and verify the hash code for the given message. The practical outcome of this experiment is to create and verify the hash code for a given message. I have already taught you the concept of hashing in Unit 3. Hashing is a process which used to uh, ensure the integrity of the message. So whenever sender sends the message to receiver, sender first calculate the hash value of the message. Whenever receiver receives the message, receiver calculate the hash value of the received message and compare with the hash value which is given from the sender. If both the hash values are matched, then only the receiver receives the message, because receiver assures that there is no loss of integrity. So in this experiment we are going to calculate the hash of the message, and also we will change the message, means we will break the integrity of the message, and we will see how the hash values of the message changes, because two different messages cannot have the same value. So whenever your original messages get altered or get changed, your hash value is automatically changed. We will see this with the help of the Crypt tool. On Crypt tool is an open source software. It can be downloaded from the Google. So I have already shared how to download the Crypt tool and how to install it on a system in our drive folder, which I have shared all the notes of the NIS and PPTs. So I have put there the videos how to install the Crypt tool. Kindly refer that video for installation of the Crypt tool. Now for this experiment, open the Crypt tool application. This is the application of Crypt tool. Now we are going to create the hash of the message. So go to file, click on the new and type the message. So I am typing the message Harshala. So this is my message. Now I will calculate the hash of this message. So you can calculate the hash of this message. Go to this individual procedure and go to hash and select any algorithm that you want to use for the hashing. You can use any algorithm to create the hash of the message. So I am going here hash demonstration, in which here is this is our original message and this is a modified message. So these are the two values, hash value of the original message. This is the original message Harshala, and this is the modified message. I can select any algorithm to calculate the hash value. MD2, message address 2, message address 4, message address 5, SHA is a secure hash access control, secure hash algorithm, secure hash algorithm 1 and secure hash algorithm 256. So I select the MD2. Even I can get the hash value in hexadecimal, decimal or binary. So I select the hexadecimal. You can change it to decimal or binary. So I select the hexadecimal. So this is, now we will see how when the messages get modified, how the hash value changes. So this is the hash value of the original message. You can see that the original message is Harshala, and this is a modified word message Harshala. This message is modified. So this is the same value, original message and the modified message is the same. So we get the same hash value of the both messages, original as well as modified. You can see 1B, D2, 07, 2C, AB, E6, A1, 27, 9B, 43, 05, 07, E7, 0A, 06 and 77. Even you can see that both the messages hash value is the same, 0.00% of the bit differ. So there is no bit differ in between original message and the modified message. So if I change this message like this, I delete the A. So see, hash value of original messages remains same, but the hash value of the modified file is a change. Here is the changes are shown. 55.47% are bits are differ from the original. So this is how the hashing checks integrity of the message. If the hash value of the both message is same, send the message, the hash value of this message which the sender sends it, and the message hash value of the message which the receiver receives it. So if there is any modification is done between them, sender and receiver, then their hash value gets changed, and receiver will know that the integrity of the message is lost. So this is how the hashing is performed. Thank you.